we have fantastic basil. Amazing. And we're gonna do a very simple pasta today. Spaghetti, fresh spaghetti with cherry tomato, olive oil, and this amazing basil. Let's go. Today we're gonna have a very simple pasta. One of my favorite actually, you know. Cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, fresh spaghetti if you find it at your local store, or dry spaghetti. This is a very good brand, the Cecco. You can use this. Optional, Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, let's start with the garlic. Very little garlic. You don't need to put a lot of garlic. Let's start with this. Well, open this. Okay, we're gonna put this in here. Put extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna cut the tomatoes. I would say for each person, I would do 20 tomatoes, 20 cherry tomatoes. This is a type of pasta. This is a recipe. This is a pasta you want to eat every day for lunch. It's very simple. Cherry tomato, really nice, rich. Some olive oil, but you don't fry. There's nothing fried in this sauce. And I'm going to show you how you can take the cream out of the sauce. It's going to become like a creamy, almost creamy saucy. Now we give a little bit of flavor of the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, with the garlic. But we're going to remove this, okay? We're going to remove this. All right, let's go. Slowly that tomato is going to release all the juice inside. And with the olive oil and with a little bit of water from the pasta cooking, just a little bit of water, it's gonna emulsify and becomes like a creamy thing. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of pasta water, okay? You see the water is changing the color, it's becoming orange. That's our sauce, okay? You don't need anything, you see? And what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna cover this for a few seconds so it just release all the water and the flavor. We're gonna put a pinch of salt, a little bit of salt. We're gonna cut the basil, and we're gonna put the basil right there. Simple, 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 guys. If you don't have cooking water right there, just put regular water, a little bit of water. So this, we have our sauce ready. The pasta, this is fresh pasta, is gonna cook only for about 3 minutes. Our pasta is cooked. Look at that, beautiful. Simple, 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 simple. Extra virgin olive oil, you know, and you let it cook for a few minutes, 1 minute. You see how creamy you can feel, the sound. See the sound? It goes like splash, splash, splash. Amazing. You know, people ask me at the restaurant, you put butter? I say, no, I don't put butter. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna put our pasta there. Simple, you know. If you want to impress your girlfriend, you know, you can tell her you're Italian. You put a little bit more basil on top, extra virgin olive oil, very little. You can put it or not. We're gonna put a little bit, you know. Here we go, guys. This is our pasta, fresh spaghetti, cherry tomato, olive oil, touch of garlic, really touch, optional. You don't have to put it. Look at this. Amazing. All right, enjoy.